Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own exit intent pop-up for your website through AI Trillion. To do this, log into AI Trillion and then in the left-hand side navigation bar, click on Smart Pop-ups and then on Custom Pop-ups. Once the custom pop-up page opens, click on Create New and you will be presented with a set of pop-up templates that you can use. So let's say I want to choose any one of these. You can customize any of these later. So I'm going to choose, let's say, special offer, and I'm going to call it don't go. I'm going to click on save. And once I have clicked save and I've chosen my template, it'll allow me to customize my pop-up in every possible way. So you can choose the template. You can change the template if you want to. Choose the pop-up position. So you want to display it on the top, bottom, anywhere. Let's say I want to display it on the top. Button style. So you can change the color of the button. Overlay opacities, content. So you can choose the image. You can have a different image for the desktop. You can have a different image for mobile. Your choice of images. Image alignments. You want to display it at the bottom, top, left, right. Let's say the bottom looks good. Choose the body. And of course, the body will be the text that you have chosen here. Say test. And you will notice that the sample test, the text will disappear and you'll have the body that is presented. So I'm going to just say test, 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 test. Once done, you can choose different background color if you need to. After you've chosen your background color, choose the additional content, text to close pop-up. So somebody clicks on no thanks, I'd prefer to pay the full price. And basically that allows you to allow the customer to exit your pop-up, and it's a no thanks message. You can customize it to say anything you like. Choose a footer, choose a behavior when you want to display it, display where do you want to display it on all pages, how many times do you want to display it, and then of course the most important part, display setting. So when do you want to display the pop-up? Now because this is an exit intent pop-up and you're making it to prevent a person from exiting your website, you can choose to detect the exit browser. Now when exit browser basically means when somebody is uh, Xing out of your website, basically trying to close your website, they're moving towards the cross in the corner. um, it'll display that pop-up at that time, and maybe that'll help you prevent the exit or help you make a sale or offer a discount to the customers. The discount of course can be offered when you have this button position. You can have the button text saying get my 20% off now, and that button can basically on clicking that button, it can take you to a specific URL, and that URL could be a page on your website that is offering a discount code or a hidden page that is not live, and you can link it to this button and it offers a special discount code. Once you're satisfied with all the settings that you want to make, click on save to save your pop-up, and then remember to turn it on. Once you've turned it on, anytime the person is Xing out of your website, they are going to close out of your website, this pop-up will be displayed at your chosen time, which is basically an exit intent. So anybody trying to close the pop-up, anybody trying to close the website, this pop-up would be displayed at that time. That is how you create an exit intent pop-up. Thank you so much for watching this video today.